Sand the surface scratch-free. When renovating, you must first remove all the residues from previous treatments completely. The surface needs to be evenly sanded. This is critical for a good result. We recommend a final 120 to 150 grits for kitchen tops. Shake the tannin primer before use and pour in a measuring cup. Use a sponge, microfiber pad, brush or roller to apply the product. Apply the product evenly and in a saturated manner. Smooth out with a cloth in the direction of the installation to prevent puddles. Allow to dry completely. After drying, break the raised wood fibers with a beige or red scrubby pad and vacuum afterwards. Tape off anything that should not be treated, splashed or spilled on. Take the Oil Plus 2C set and stir the A component well. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of A component into a mixing container and carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B. Stir well. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Apply a small quantity of Oil Plus 2C and spread out with a red scrubby pad. Let it absorb for a few minutes and wipe away all excess oil with a white scrubby pad. Finish off with a cloth within maximum 30 minutes. The surface should feel non-sticky. Cloths and other tools which are saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Let the surface dry for 12 to 24 hours in a well-ventilated room. Wait at least 5 days to clean with water and universal soap for the first time. Keep the surface clean with our Surface Care or All Natural Wood Cleaner spray. For stubborn stains, use one of our specific stain removers, lime spot, grease or tannin remover. For a quick refresh of your piece of furniture, use our Refresh Eco.